For ingredients, we need 1 pumpkin, 400 milliliters of coconut milk, a little bit of curry, Tabasco, 1 liter of vegetable broth, then 1/2 onion, and a little bit of salt. Then we're gonna start with preparing our pumpkin. For that, remove all the not very nice looking spots on the pumpkin and wash it very well before you cut it and use it. And then after you've done that, you're gonna split the pumpkin in half and start scraping all of the seeds. Here you want to make sure that you remove all the strings as well, as many as you can get, because if they will stay, it will be harder to get it into a smooth soup at the end. So when the pumpkin is fully prepared, we're gonna start cubing it into about like equal pieces. For that, we're gonna start by splitting half of the pumpkin in half again, and then start cutting like bow shapes out of it. And with these shapes, it's much easier to work. So then we can just cut pretty big cubes out of it. Okay, so after the pumpkin is fully prepared, we're gonna dice our onion. So when you prepare pumpkin and onions, you're gonna start putting them in the pan with a little bit of oil. Well, only the onions with a little bit of oil. And add the curry powder to it, so this gets like nice kind of roast flavor. And well, the camera didn't record that, but I think you know what I mean. Then when the onions are like fully orange yellowish and all look like they're done, you're gonna add all your pumpkin into the pan and let that cook for a while. When the pumpkin got like just a little bit softer and it's easier to stir, you're gonna add the vegetable broth and let it cook for 30 to 40 minutes. So once everything in the pot is combined and cooked, you will see that the pumpkin is much softer, and then you're gonna take a hand mixer and mix it until it's very smooth soup, um, without any chunks or strings or anything in it. And that's basically it. Now you can add, for example, some chicken or some mango, which I did in this one. And well, you can use pretty much everything you want, like some cream or anything like that, to top it up. And yeah, this is my final result. I just topped it with a little bit of basil, a little bit of olive oil, and a little bit of bread.